this video, we will show you how to add another Google account on Android. First, you need to go to settings on your Android phone. Then scroll down and find the account in here and choose Google. In here, you can scroll down first. Please scroll down and you will see this is your profile. Now you can click this. After you click this, you can add another account in here. Just click this. For example, we will try input another account. After you type password, you can click next. We can click skip first and click agree. Now in here we have two accounts. That's all tutorial how to add another Google account.